Looks like we are live now. Okay, welcome guys, welcome. Let me set up my screen. I'm able to see your comments on YouTube. Welcome guys, welcome. My name is Shrey, guys. Welcome to another episode of Shrey TV. We are going to discuss Cardano today, what's happening with Cardano, what's happening to the whole ecosystem, and obviously the price prediction. Give me a second and I'll adjust a few things and we should be ready to go. Okay. Alright, so hopefully you're able to see the whole chart because I was not able to see this chart yesterday. Let me know if you're able to see the full chart. Okay. Yes. Looks good. Yes. Looks good. Okay. So the chart looks good. This is the first time I'm able to see the full screen here, so I'm excited. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning just with you. And today we will see Cardano price prediction. And yep, let me post on my Twitter and on my Instagram so my people get to know that I'm live. Soon I'll be able to get this squared away so that way the stream is seamless. Okay. Okay, Instagram done, Twitter. Okay, my Twitter is Shrey TV Crypto. I post all the charts on Twitter. Okay, we all set. So what's happening with the crypto markets? Let's see where we are, where the whole market is. We are up a little bit. Bitcoin's $46,000. Ethereum's 3,400. Cardano looking good at 240. XRP 109. Look at the gainers. Let's see what's pumping. Okay, I'll go. Oh, HBAR is pumping. Wow. Yeah, I got a huge bag off HBAR. Guys, Hedera Hashgraph is one of my. I have a huge bag actually. So yeah, everything is pumping. I shouldn't say everything, but Solana is pumping, Poly, Loopring, Near Protocol. Yeah. Algorand has connection with Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler was in MIT. He's the SEC head. Security and Exchange Commission in America is the one that has, a lot of issues with crypto, and they are the ones who will be regulating cryptos. And I feel that having connections with an MIT professor who created Algorand is huge. And yeah, 40% bump on Algorand. That's great. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at Twitter. Let's look at Twitter. What's going on? What's in the news? So I heard about a new blockchain system that I wanted to talk about. It's called Elfie. Elf. AELF. Elf. So yeah, I was just looking at Elf and the price structure. But again, this video is about Cardano, so let's look at the Cardano price. Who's in the house? Zabur Maruf. Shrey will still blurry. Okay, full chart is good. How are you, bro? I'm doing great. All my price targets are conservative. Possible we can pass your price prediction with parabolic move soon. Okay. Maruf, how are you? Let's go Cardano. Well, I try. It's better to be conservative than go super bullish and then get disappointed, right? So this is Cardano chart, right? I'm gonna soon post it on my Twitter, so you'll be able to take a look. Right. So this is the mother arc. I call this a mother arc, right? And even when we go down, we form these arcs, and going down, we stabilize here, right? And then we go up from there. Right, look at that, Cardano. So Cardano, looks like it's possible we may get somewhere around $12 for Cardano. See, usually what happens is cryptos, what they do is, we're looking at this arc. The price not always stops at the arc. Sometimes it just jumps early and then consolidates lower at the arc. So we have to see this point. So we can go somewhere around $9, right? $9 or $10. By end of September. Yeah, it's possible. Cardano can pump to $8 to $10. $8 to $10. Yeah, and from there it may consolidate, go down, and it would still have some gas left. Once it consolidates down here, it can still go up, right, from here to $20. I feel, I think Cardano is going to have a huge cycle. It already did, but yeah. So that's Cardano. Let's look at the fib on Cardano. I'll show you daily price action. I like to look at the macro and that's weekly and monthly cycle. Daily cycle is for trading, right? So the fib stops here, right? Somewhere around $11. So we may stop at 618 here. $7 to $8. Yeah, I believe $7 to $8. If we push 3618, then $10, right? By September end. So to be safe, let's just call it between $7 to $10, right? I would, keep my eye on $7, $8, and then we might consolidate, or we may go up to $14, right, by mid of October. Okay, Shrey, give us a massive gains coin. Okay, let me give you a massive gain coin. Okay, I believe which has a potential to go 50x. You want massive gains? You get massive gains. And Shrey TV, baby! Don't forget you got it here, okay? And please do some kindness to other people, right? Like I'm just doing this for free. I don't have any other motive. As when I was alone in crypto, none of my friends in March, April, when I was investing in 2020, nobody was investing. And every time I spoke to my friend, they were like, "Man, you are crazy. You know, all this thing is scam. It'll crash." There was nobody to talk to, right? So I did all my research. I learned a TA, everything by myself, and I had a mentor, right? He is in Thailand. His name is Didi, right? He has one of the YouTube channels as well. So I called him up and he guided me. I called another gentleman who handles a hedge fund in New York, and he told me what was happening, that all the governments around the world are going to print a lot of money, and all that money is going to flow into assets. So again, he was a stock guy. So I got my information from several sources, right? And came to a conclusion that crypto is the one that I want to go for. But yeah, but then you have to rely on other people for price predictions. Sometimes you get really scared when you're new and the market crashes 50, 60%, and your hard earned money is in the markets. It's very scary. But yeah, uh, can you share DD Twitter? It's Planet, uh, something with Planet. I forgot. His Crazy for Crypto. Okay, Crazy for Crypto is his site. I mean, his Instagram and his Twitter as well. Planet Mind and Body. Yeah, that's his Twitter. But he's my mentor. He guided me. You see, guys, even if I do technical analysis, understand the market a little bit better, but the first person who guides you in the right direction, all credit goes to DD. He guided me in the right direction when. When the market, it was really bad. Everyone was panicking during the crash in 2020, and I was not going to invest. I would have invested, but very little amount of money. I thought it was going to crash more. But I spoke to, as I said, not just only DD. I spoke to two other gentlemen, and I paid a hefty amount to speak to the other two gentlemen. But yeah, and yeah, just to point you in the right direction at the right time. Opportunity, like this is 100-year cycle, I believe, which is going through a blow off top in stocks in every cycle. It's called bubble of all, assets, right? And usually there's a blow off top, and it's massive. The amount of gains that come in just a year and a half, 2 years. Sometimes you have to wait 20 years to get those kind of gains. And crypto is one of the assets. I think in 200 years, not many assets have been created. People usually, when they want to invest their money, they invest in real estate, gold, silver, then came stocks, and now it's crypto. So, and the good thing about crypto, it's a global asset, just like gold and silver, where the easiest way to buy crypto is through your phone. You just press a button and you're able to buy. Even if you don't have television, you just need internet and your phone, and you're able to buy crypto from Africa, from India, from United States, China, everywhere. And the market's 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's phenomenal. So yeah, so that's my theory on crypto. It's the future. So true, $2 trillion market cap is a drop in a bucket. We are going to go so high that it'll be baffling. Okay, it'll be baffling. So I'm very bullish. If you are scared, like the way I was in March and April of 2020, even after investing my money, I invested in Cardano when it was 12 cents. So it went to 15 cents, and then it dropped to 7 cents in August. I guess this is the time. I bought Cardano. I started buying Cardano right here, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 15. Right. I even bought at 15, and then it dropped to 7 cents, right? Imagine what kind of drop that is, and when you invest a hefty amount of money and your money drops 55%. Yeah. But everyone in crypto goes through that. So, yeah, but you have to get acclimated the way cryptos move, and you have to be prepared mentally. A lot of people panic sell their cryptos. But yes, Tejas Patel, how's it going, buddy? Hi, buddy. This is Tejas. I really like your analysis. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, Maruf, market cap for 21.22. Okay. So, yeah, Cardano looks bullish. So, Cardano can go 10x, guys. It can go to, $20, pushing it. Yeah, it's possible. It can, but for now, for short term, I think between $8 to $10. What happens next? I don't know. So I crypto leaves a trail, right? So I'm looking at what Cardano is showing me right now, and if you go according to this arc, right? Let me zoom in, right? Then we are looking at between, yeah, I would say, $10. Yeah, $8 to $10, guys. It could happen as soon as October. Yeah, look, this is the trend line that price has always respected, right? Every time we hit this trend line, we go down. So I believe this time as well, we may hit $8 to $10 and then boom, go down, right? And then go back up again, right? So, Tejas, what's happening? So let me show you a 50x coin. I believe, let me show you first. Let's do some analysis on Ethereum, right? And then compare it with VIDT. That's what I was doing a while ago. Let me show you Ethereum, right? If you see the market cycle of Ethereum, right? Ethereum started at here. The bottom was 42 cents, 41 cents, right? From 41 cents here in October of 2015, it went up to $1,400.84, 1484, right? So let's see how many days it took to reach there. So it took about 817 days. So the whole cycle, the bull cycle, lasted 817 days. Let's look at VIDT. Okay. So let's see. This is the drop of March, right? So 817 days from there puts us somewhere in May, June of 2022, right? So, okay, let's look how Ethereum performed. Like when it went the first time, it went up, and then it consolidated for a long period of time, right? So, look, Ethereum pumped really hard, just like VIDT pumped really hard. Like after March, imagine this was March of 2020, and then it pumped really hard here. And then it went boring, right? For how long it went boring? Let's see. Ethereum dropped substantially, almost 60%, more than 60% from its highs. Ethereum dropped 70%, right? Just like VIDT, right? But the whole consolidation lasted for about 292 days, right? And then again, we started going up, right? So let's see from this top to this top how many days we have from one top to another top for Ethereum. So from here to here, it's 458 days, right? So let's look at VIDT. If we look at VIDT, 458 days. Where do we come? 450. Yeah, 455, 458. So right around 15th of November, November 2nd week, we get to that stage. So are you seeing the similarities between Ethereum? See this first bump here? That's the first move that Ethereum did. Then it consolidated. Same thing with VIDT. It consolidated. It came down. Let's see how low it went. So it came down 75%, just like Ethereum did 70%, right? So it went down, and then from there, let's see how Ethereum did from that bottom. From that bottom to the top, Ethereum went 7,000%. Okay. In how many days? About 197 days. 192 days. Okay. So the days could be a little different. So let's see, 192 days would come up to here. January. January of 2022. Right? That's where we come to. But the cycle, the chart says something else. Okay, I follow the chart, so not exactly similar date and time frame, but you get the picture, right? So this is the first stop, and then consolidation, and then we have this another arc that I believe end of December, right? VIDT can hit $33. So let's be conservative, okay, in our targets, and let's just say between $12 to $15. That's still really high, right? Look at VIDT. Let's do a fib on VIDT, right? Top to bottom. So even if it hits this, that is almost $9. But usually it goes 100, 200% from there. So I believe we may have a mega pump for VIDT to between $8 to $10. $8 to $10. I would say $8 to $12. If it goes berserk, it's possible, guys, that it can go to $24. Yeah, I'm not an idiot, but it sounds idiotic when you look at the chart. But I'm very bullish on VIDT, and yeah. So if you look at the mother arc, this is the bigger arc, right? Then we are looking at between $40 to $50 for VIDT, somewhere around April, May. Between April, May, we could hit between $50 to $60 for VIDT. Yes, guys, this is one of those coins, and it's not a shit coin. If you look at VIDT, VIDT has partnerships with IBM, Airbus, and yeah, it's a good token. The tokenomics are really good. Only 57 million VIDT, and the market caps between when I invested in, it was somewhere around 28 million or 25 million. It was ridiculous. And the tokens are only 57 million, out of which 12 million token will never come out in circulation. So the price pressure is really, high for VIDT to move up, and very little money, put in, and the price pumps really hard. I was on KuCoin to buy VIDT, and every time I bought, very little. The jump was incredible. So I was not even able to buy VIDT at the price that, say, for example, it's running at 114 right now. And if I try to buy, say, 100 VIDT, 200, maybe, say, 500 VIDT, then I will, on KuCoin, probably I'll get it around 124, 120. So, yeah. But that's the 50x coin that I expect. And I don't need 50x. I would love to have 50x. But if you look at the long-term chart, this can go, I see VIDT in future with at least 10 to 20 billion dollar market cap. So in this cycle, we may get between 2 to 3 billion dollars market cap, and it's doable, guys. 2 3 billion dollars in crypto is nothing. Right now, this sits around 40 billion, I think. Yeah. So yeah, this is a great project, not a shitcoin, which I try to put my money in, which where I can sleep at night, right? And not worried if say a black swan event happens, if everything collapses, which project has the potential to go up? This is the question I ask myself, right? And I believe VIDT can do that. Okay. Uh, so tell me more. Zabur Maruf, who's in the house? So let me know, where are you coming from? Are you coming from Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube page? Let me know any cryptos that you want me to analyze. Not analysis. Yeah, watching too many other kind of videos looks like. Sorry, join late if you already went through the charts for BCH or VIDT. What would you say about VIDT or BCH? Rajan Patel. Okay, I was discussing VIDT, bro, just right now. So just this is VIDT chart. Just look at it. It's crazy. It's crazy. Look at the price action. We try to stay, below this line, right? Every time price tries to go above this line, we go down. Here we go down. And here we went down, right? So I believe we will touch this line again, and that could be $20 here or $35 here in December. But yeah, we will make an attempt to go over this line, and there will be a time when this barrier will be broken, and this line extends to, if the bull cycle lasts until May, we are looking at $75. That's just crazy. But yeah, I don't want to give too high targets, but it's very doable with VIDT with such a low market cap. Okay. Raj, what were you saying? Why do you consider stablecoins in What do you consider stablecoins in your opinion? What do you mean, Rajan? Stablecoins, we see crypto always have this sword, you know, always hanging in front of us. You know, like stablecoins is like that. Once you have digital dollar, right? Every country, like United States, wants to keep dollar as a dominant currency. So I don't see the need for stable coins if US dollar becomes comes on blockchain, right? Imagine if US dollar, that's what they are trying to do, make US dollar uh, a digital dollar, right? Once that comes in, why would you need stable coins for what, right? So I believe stable coins, we have so many stable coins right now. Tether, USDC, DAI. I don't know. I think we will have strict regulations. Um, they will go after them because it's it's not dollar. They're competing against dollar. So I don't see them. going that far. But whenever that happens, obviously the markets, react to those kind of news. But you have to be prepared. You have to think long term, guys. If you're just in trading, then yeah, trading is good too. You want to make some money and get out, yeah, why not? But I'm here for the big haul. So even say for example, VIDT crashes, which it will, because nothing goes up in straight line. So if I sold VIDT at $5, right here, and went to $25, say $20 to $25, and then it crashes 70% from there, it's still $7. Why get out of something and buy back and pay those fees and all that, right? And sometimes you can get really screwed in trading. If you want to get out of the market, get out of the market totally, or be in it to win it, right? Ankit, do you have any projections for XPRT? Ankit Bhave. XPRT, yes. Ankit, let's look at XPRT. It's called persistence, right? Let's, guys, you are able to hear me properly. You're able to see the charts clearly. Let me know, because I'm able to see my stream very clearly here. Just wanted to confirm, and yeah. Yeah, middle of October, we could be sitting somewhere around. Yeah, let me see, make sure. Yeah, we could be between 26 to $33. Yep. This was just $7 or $10. Right now, it's $8.90. The problem with persistence is like you're not able to find it in a good exchange at the moment. But I believe it's just had a listing on a new exchange today. And I love projects coming from India. I know the founder of this company. I don't know personally, no, but I've seen his interviews. His name is Tushar, and what Persistent is trying to do is great, but you know, it has to be available on more exchanges, so people are able to buy these coins easily. Right now, it's available on only 3 or 4 exchanges. Let's see. So if you want to find a coin where it is listed, this is the way to go. CoinGecko, right? You can go on CoinGecko and look at the trading pairs at the bottom, right? Click on See All Trading Pairs. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 exchanges. This coin is available, right? XPRT. So I cannot pronounce this name. This is, I think, a Korean exchange. Hubui Global. Haobi Global. Haobi Global. Okay. So it's listed on Haobi today. And look at the volume, guys. 3 million, 2 million. Haobi got, wow, 19 million. So that's why it pumped. Yeah, very bullish on persistence for long term, but it's a long term hold, right? The project just started, so right, yep, long way to go, long way to go. We'll make like these 2 3 hours like that, you know, like that. But that's how the price is gonna go. So there are a lot of cryptos, guys. I try to stay in a few because they are very good projects. Some of them are amazing. They're doing amazing thing. This could be another Polygon, right? Indian techies are awesome, right? Majority big projects, huge. Polygon is a project from India. The whole team is from India, and you've seen their network. The number of transactions on Polygon are one of the highest right now, and what they are doing for Ethereum is phenomenal. So yeah, Tushar is trying to do something just like that. Zilliqa's founder is Indian as well. I just don't want to say, you know, I don't care who builds the project, but I believe there's a huge tech hub in India, and these people have been working on this project for a long time. Zilliqa is an old project, right? And their founder is Amrit Kumar, and I saw his interview, and you know what's coming for Zilliqa. If you have missed out on Solana pump, you know you can get in Zilliqa. Guys, this is not a financial advice. You know, I should say this. I keep on forgetting. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm some guy on the internet. Please make sure do your research, right? It's your money. So I'm a crypto enthusiast. I want people to learn how I chart, you know, all my research. This is what I do all day, between 10 to 12 hours a day. I'm in front of the screen researching, looking at projects. So yeah, Tushar is great. I met him in person. Ankit. Okay, awesome. Much better than yesterday. Okay. We can hear what do you say? You can hear and see the charts. Good, man. Yeah, persistent looks good. So I have seen several videos of Tushar on YouTube, and you know what they're trying to do is great. And yeah, I will buy a small bag, you know, but it's gonna pump really hard before I get in. But you know, in cryptos, you always get opportunities. So it'll pump, and then it'll come down, and then I'll go up. So I may go in, you know, and get my bag. Yeah. But where was I? So let's look at the markets. What's going on, guys? Um, Ankit, Tejas, yes, sir. DD recommended it. Yeah, recommend it. Shrey, where are you located? Ankit, I am in the United States. I am in Maryland. This is my Twitter, guys. If you want to follow, you can follow on my Twitter, um, my Instagram. But I do all my Instagram live are in a different language. Every Saturday and Sunday, I've been going on live on Instagram. So I try to put small snippets on Instagram. This is my third YouTube live stream, and I speak in a different language. This is for this channel is you know, for my people from India. So I'm trying to focus because I'm trying to literate. A lot of people don't speak the English language, so I want them to take advantage of the crypto revolution, right? I want to educate people over there to see what's happening. So I have made sure I make this a motto of my life. Okay, what else is in the news with Bitcoin. El Salvador reportedly fixes crypto wallet after bumpy Bitcoin rollout. What else I came along in the news on Twitter was Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, and he was ranting about SEC. Uh, let's see, Brian Armstrong. So yeah, he was talking about that SEC didn't allow Coinbase. See, uh, our doors remain open. Hopefully, the SEC steps in and up to create a clarity in the industry deserves. In this, without harming consumers and companies in the process, America could really use us working together to figure this out right now. So he's talking about Coinbase was trying to launch staking and APY, like you can lend your USDC and they would pay you interest like 4 or 5%, like a lot of other platforms are doing for crypto. If you don't want to be in a crypto, say for example, you cash out and you still have money in dollars, but one of the stable coins that Coinbase uses, it would pay you just like a bank an API. So SEC denied it, and when they requested why, SEC said that they are going to sue them. So after this tweet, the market dumped hard. But yeah, that's Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, young guy. Imagine majority of crypto users are young people. You know, in 10 years, someone that's 25 is 35. A 35-year-old person is set with a lot of money. So imagine 7 days a week, 24 hours market, crypto. Anyone can buy. And all these young people are educated. Crypto market's going to go crazy. Ankit says let's meet sometimes. I am down in Charleston, North Carolina. Okay, Ankit, you are in North Carolina. Cool. I was very close to North Carolina recently. I went to Myrtle Beach about a month and a half ago. Okay, any questions, concerns? Let me know. Anything else you want me to chart? I can chart. You know, I'll be streaming this, man. I do this day and night. So let's look at other coins that I'm very bullish on. This is one of them, VThor, right? Let me show you. VThor looks crazy. Crazy. This is the daily, right? So and I believe we are going to go nuts right here. Yeah, man. What does this pump look like? And this looks like a 20x pump to me. Again, guys, not a financial advice, but just look at it. Any way you look at it, looks good. Right? Let's be conservative. But you know, have you seen any small arcs on VThor? So they are usually big arcs like that, right? So I believe this arc starts from here and ends in November, right? And it's going to be massive. Let's look at this. How far the price pumped, and this is the line where it stops, right? Okay. So still, yeah, VThor looks super, super, uber bullish. Everything, man, in the market, man. Oh, I'm so excited. It's going to be crazy. Can't wait. Can't wait for these couple months. Dent chart. Okay, Rajan wants Dent. Thanks for your time spent for all of us, bro. Rajan, anytime, brother, anytime. I want, a lot of people all around the world, there are kids, 18-year-old kids becoming millionaires, right? So, yeah, there's a lot for everyone. Okay, crypto is a huge asset. A lot of people, the retail is going to come in right now. About 5% people of this planet hold crypto. Imagine that bumps to 20%. What's going to happen? All these, big investors, like venture capital and hedge funds, like institutions. Some institutions have a limit of $1 trillion asset. That the asset has to be $1 trillion, then only they will invest in it. That's why people are buying Bitcoin and institutions, right? Because it's a huge asset. Why they are not buying VIDT? They might have a small bag of VIDT, but they will not put their major money in something with a $30-40 million coin, right? So VThor is $415 million market cap. Okay, and it's a sister of VeChain. So VThor, a lot of VThor gets burned when VeChain is a supply chain token, right? Which is used by different companies to keep a track of their products. Okay, Rajan is requesting a dent. Okay, I have so many pages open here. I have a dent somewhere around here. Okay, got dent. Okay. Let's, yeah, better. Yeah, this doesn't seem right. Okay. Yeah, much better. I'll make it bigger so you're able to see it. No, I'm talking about charts, okay? uh, Guys, have to be, excited about things and have to make it light, right? Let's turn the music on. I like to have some music while this is copyright free, right? So where was I? Dent. Where did Dent go? Okay. Dent's all-time high was 10 cents, right? So yeah, it can go to 20 cents. Right? So yeah, that's crazy. Dent's gonna have a crazy cycle. Yeah, look at how it went up. Dent went 10,000% up this year. Okay, this year from January 29th till 6th of April. In 69 days, Dent went up 9,000%. That's crazy. So, yeah, I think 3,000%. So somewhere around 16 cents, I would be, let's say, conservative, around 13 cents. Because yeah, I believe it'll go somewhere around 12, 13 cents and then start to come down. Yeah, between 10, let's just be conservative, right? That is still huge numbers, bro. Okay, that is more than 20x, right? Tejas Patel wants to know about OX protocol. Chart, please. Okay. I have to open a new window. What is it called? OX. Is that orchid? So orchid always stays this line. It always comes down back to this line, right? Always pump, come back. Always pump, come back. Pump, come back. Pump, comes back, right? So it's in that range, just like many cryptos. It's in a different cycle where it stays in a range, right? Like this range, right? So I call this as an M pattern. Majority crypto, when they're new, they do this. They come down, right? They consolidate like this for years, right? Let's see the consolidation. How many days the price stayed? So that's 544 days. Orchid stayed around here. Okay, and I believe it's ready for the move up. Orchid can have a massive move up, huge move. Okay, because it consolidated for a long period of time in this range, right? So let's look at the fib on Orchid. Top to bottom here. Okay, so you have to see Celsius network, right? What happened to Celsius network? You see this chart? I'll show you something that looks similar to this chart and see what happened to Celsius network. I have to remember where this chart is. Okay, working is right there. Where is Celsius? Okay, Celsius network. Let's put it right next to Celsius. Damn it. Look. This looks like Celsius, right? Orchid and Celsius look similar, right? You see the pattern? Right? It stayed in this range. Right, like this. And then you get a breakout and boom. Boom, baby, boom. Look at where it went. Hey. Yeah, this can happen to Orchid. And Orchid has a very small market cap, right? But not all cryptos do that. There are some cryptos which go up here and print an M pattern, right? Like they go for a prolonged let me show you what I'm talking about. So many cryptos, they will do the same thing. You know, when the project starts, go up, down, right? Just like VThor. Let's and then they have this breakout, massive breakout. Where's VThor? Okay. All right. So, where are we? So, VThor stayed in this price range, right? Just like the way I was discussing. For years. Like this price range, right? And then you come back a little bit to retest. You go up and come back, right? So let's look at Orchid. Okay, where do I see Orchid? I see in the moon, baby. To the moon. Yeah, this could happen. We could see $3. Yeah, this could easily happen. Let's be conservative and say $2. But this arc is too small. Yeah. Look at the fib. It's gonna surpass that. Hold on. This is the daily chart, right? Let's look at weekly. Get a better picture. Chart looks so beautiful. Yeah, guys, between $2 to $3 is easily possible by October. We can come back to retest here, like, you know, go back like this and come back to retest here and then go back up again. Okay, but this is short-term prediction. Oh, ZRX. Thanks for the den chart and your analysis, Rajan Patel. Okay, what do you think about Sol? Looks like outperformed all coins. Sol, brother, it had a very nice pump. I love it. It has the potential to go to $500, $600. But, you know, the amount of pump, you know, the amount of money you're going to get on all these other altcoins is nowhere compared to Sol, right? Sol has become a monster, right? So, like a heavy person, it's tough for a heavy animal to move. Like an elephant can run fast, right? But a light, like something with low cap, can run. You know, you just need $1 billion to pump that thing 50x, right? So I believe Orchid has a really low market cap. I'm looking here because I have my laptop and I'm looking at your comments, right? LOL, Shrey, he meant ZRX. Okay, what about ZRX? Did I miss any comments? Hold on. Okay, you want ZRX? Okay, the good thing, you know, what's coming out of this is, you know, I'm gonna look into this coin. Yeah, it could have a massive cycle. Or could have a massive cycle. Look. This is Celsius network, okay? If you count this as full, yeah. right there. Yep. Yeah, it could have a massive, massive cycle. There's Celsius network going. Yeah, so Orchid. Yeah, man. Orchid can go nuts. That is, yeah, 500, 600%. You know, if it goes crazy, 10x. Tejas, it's ZRX, not Orchid. Okay. All right, buddy, but I still did Orchid. I was looking at this coin, and it's interesting to me, so I just did it. Okay. It's good to know assets, right? Say, for example, one chart looks awesome, and the other chart, if you are invested in, say, for example, Cardano, and Cardano looks as if it's just going to go to $5 or $7, and you have Zilliqa chart, you know, that you come across, and it's gonna go, you know, 2,000% up. You know, it's good to know, right? I can learn about assets. I haven't looked at Orchid chart ever. This is the first time I'm looking at Orchid chart, and yeah, it sounds good. So I will look into it. I think we found a gem accidentally, and it is orchid or something. Yeah. Yes. So it's possible. ZRX. Let's look at ZRX. So ZRX came to to the all-time high, right? It just kissed the all-time high and went back. Right, so this is called a cup and handle pattern. Weird fucking chart. Let's look at monthly and we'll know better. Okay, so it's forming perfect cup and handle. The price would explode from here. Let me give you daily. Let's look at daily. How it looks on daily. Let's see how much we pumped from bottom to the top to here. So that's where fuck. I deleted the whole shit. Yep. So it can go above that fib level. Yep, that's doable. I think it'll go past that. So it looks like a 20x to me, man. It looks like a 20x to me, baby! This is gonna pump. I would say 10x. Just be conservative, man. Just be conservative. Just say 10x. Just because I could see a couple of things because it didn't pump. If it pumped here massively, like, it'll stay in this line here. Every time price will try to come up, it'll crash down. Come up, crash down. So until end of September, we will just barely make all-time high. $2, and then probably we might have a breakout if we hold this arc, right? See, I would have been very bullish before this crash happened, right? Like, this shit fucked up ZRX, okay? This shit right here, or else we were on a track to go up. So many traders got screwed. They went long, right? They went long like this, and we changed the path, right? So many contracts people would have bought and done. You know, we are going to $11, and then boom, this happens, right? We still might go, but take time, right? It'll take time. It changes, you know, a few things, but yeah, I'm still bullish. This looks a good coin, ZRX. Tejas. So this thing pumped pretty good, man. How much it went up? 1,700%. Yeah, from the bottom. I mean, it's okay. It's good. Okay, what else? Alright guys, I think I've been long enough, and it's dark, it's getting dark outside, and I'm hungry. I need to eat something, feed myself, and I might go later in the night. I'm a night hawk, so I started to sleep early now these days, but I'll try to come one more time and see. I'm trying to gauge the audience, where most amount of people are coming from right now, and which country, and you know, within a week or 2 weeks, I will know the analytics of my YouTube, so I'll know where the audience is coming from. So that's why I'll be going on different time zones, but then I will pick one day, you know, every day, one time that I go live on, right? So, stay safe. Peace out. All right, let me end this.